Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated camera releases of the year, the Sony A7 V. This successor to Sony's legendary A7 series is poised to redefine the standards for hybrid mirrorless cameras. Packed with cutting-edge features such as an advanced full-frame sensor, groundbreaking autofocus improvements, and next-level video capabilities, the A7 V is the ultimate tool for both photographers and filmmakers who are looking to elevate their craft. Refined design and build quality. Sony has made significant strides in improving the design of the A7 V. The camera features a more ergonomic body, with a larger, deeper grip designed for improved comfort during extended shoots. Whether you're out in the field capturing wildlife or shooting in a studio, the refined grip ensures a secure hold. The magnesium alloy construction strikes a balance between durability and portability. It's weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture, making it suitable for challenging environments, from rain-soaked landscapes to sandy deserts. Button placement and customization. Button placement has been optimized for better accessibility. Key controls are now easier to reach, and Sony continues to allow extensive button customization, catering to both professionals and hobbyists who prefer a tailored workflow. The vari-angle touchscreen is another highlight, offering higher resolution and improved responsiveness. It's perfect for framing shots in tricky angles and navigating menus with ease. Whether you're vlogging, capturing overhead shots, or working at ground level, this display ensures versatility. Dual card slots. The A7 V includes dual card slots, supporting both CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. This upgrade caters to professionals who require high-speed, reliable storage for high-resolution images and 4K video. From its robust construction to its intuitive controls, the A7 V embodies a focus on durability, comfort, and usability, solidifying its place as a top-tier tool for creators. Innovative sensor and processor. At the heart of the A7 V lies a 33MP back-illuminated full-frame sensor, offering a remarkable combination of resolution, dynamic range, and sensitivity. This sensor is designed to excel in all lighting conditions, whether you're capturing brightly lit outdoor scenes or working in dimly lit interiors. Paired with Sony's latest Bionz XR processor, the A7 V takes image quality to new heights. Expect enhanced noise reduction, improved color accuracy, and faster image processing. This combination delivers lifelike results, preserving even the finest details in shadows and highlights. Dual native ISO. The sensor's dual native ISO capabilities allow it to perform exceptionally well in both low and bright light. With a dynamic range of up to 15 stops, you'll achieve stunning clarity, even in high-contrast scenes. High-speed continuous shooting. For action photographers, the A7 V offers 10 frames per second continuous shooting with full autofocus and auto exposure. This ensures that every fleeting moment, from wildlife in motion to fast-paced sports, is captured with precision. With these sensor and processor enhancements, the Sony A7 V sets a new benchmark for hybrid cameras in its class. Video capabilities and features. Sony has consistently been a leader in video technology, and the A7 V continues this legacy. The camera supports 4K video recording at 60p, with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, ensuring vibrant colors and extensive grading flexibility. For filmmakers looking to push boundaries, the A7 V also offers 4K 120p recording. This feature is perfect for creating cinematic slow-motion footage, with minimal rolling shutter artifacts. Advanced heat dissipation. Overheating is a common challenge for mirrorless cameras during extended recording sessions, but Sony addresses this with improved heat dissipation. This allows for longer recording times, ensuring reliability during critical moments. Picture profiles and focus features. The addition of new picture profiles, such as S-Cinetone, delivers cinematic tones straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-production work. Filmmakers will also appreciate focus breathing compensation, which minimizes focus shifts when pulling focus during video recording, and flexible codecs for efficient file handling. Professional audio options. The A7 V features an upgraded digital audio interface, allowing for cleaner audio recording when paired with compatible microphones. Whether you're an aspiring videographer or an experienced filmmaker, the A7 V provides all the tools needed to produce high-quality, professional-grade videos. Autofocus performance. Sony's autofocus systems have long been praised for their speed and accuracy, and the A7 V raises the bar even further. The camera features 759 phase detection points, covering 94% of the frame. This ensures reliable subject tracking, even in challenging scenarios. AI-powered autofocus. The inclusion of AI-driven algorithms takes autofocus capabilities to new heights. The A7V excels at recognizing and tracking a variety of subjects, including humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles. Autofocus is faster and more precise, making it ideal for portrait photographers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Low-light autofocus. Thanks to its enhanced sensitivity, the A7V delivers impressive autofocus performance in low-light conditions, ensuring sharp results even in near darkness. This cutting-edge autofocus system ensures that every shot is perfectly focused, no matter the subject or setting. Connectivity and workflow. In today's fast-paced world, efficient workflows are essential. The Sony A7V offers a comprehensive set of connectivity options to meet these demands. Upgraded ports and wireless features. The camera includes a full-size HDMI port for seamless external recording, a high-speed USB-C connection, and 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi for wireless file transfers. These features make it easier than ever to tether your camera, transfer files, or live stream in real time. Cloud integration. Through the Sony Imaging Edge app, creators can control the camera remotely, upload content to the cloud, or share files instantly on social media platforms. Dual card slots for reliability. With support for CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2, you can work with confidence, knowing that your data is securely stored on high-speed media. The A7V is designed to integrate seamlessly into modern workflows, ensuring that professionals can focus on their creative vision. A worthy successor. The Sony A7V is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a significant leap forward. From its refined design to its advanced sensor, processor, and autofocus system, the camera is built for creators who demand the best. Its video capabilities cater to filmmakers, while its high-resolution imaging and fast performance make it a powerhouse for photographers. The enhanced connectivity options and durable build further solidify its place as a professional-grade tool. While the A7V may come with a premium price tag, its features and performance more than justify the investment. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast-paced action, or cinematic videos, the A7V is a versatile and reliable companion.